Good morning, students of class 7. Today I am going to teach you lesson English lesson. The poem lesson name is what? In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. It is the poem. Okay. So I will explain this poem. Okay. At first I will read the poem. After that I will explain it. Okay. So children, all of you take out page number 26. Okay, and 27. Okay, you take out 26, you will get in the 26 this poem. Okay, in the Bazaar of Hyderabad. Okay, it is written by whom? Sarojini Naidu. Okay, an Indian poetess. Clear? So, I am explaining at first, I am reading the poem. Okay, after that, I will explain you. Clear, students? See. What do you sell, O ye merchants? Richly your wares are displayed. Turbans of crimsons and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirror with panels of amber, daggers with handles of jade. What do you wear, O ye vendors, saffron and lantern and ice? What do you bride, O ye maidens, sandalwood, henna and spice? What do you call, O ye peddlers, chessmen and ivory's dice? What do you make, O ye smith, goldsmith, wristlet and anklet and rings, bells for the feet of blue pigeons, frail as a dragonfly's wings, girdles of gold for the dancers, scabbards of gold for the king. What do you cry, O ye fruitmen? Citrons, pomegranate, and plum. What do you play, O musician? Sitar, sarangi, and drum. What do you chant, O magician? Spells for the aeons to come. What do you wave, O ye flower girls, with tassels of azure and red, crowns of brow of the bridegroom, caplets of garlands his bed, sheets of white blossoms near, garnered to perfume the sleep of the dead. Okay? Understood? Now, see here in this poem what you will find that in this poem what you will find in the Bazaar of Hyderabad by Sarojini Naidu describes the vibrant details of the market stalls and what product of the Hyderabad Bazaar. What we will get in the bazaar and about all the stalls and also about the products what we will get in this bazaar. Okay, the poem begins with the speaker or a customer asking a vendor what he is selling. The person in the first stanza you will find that one only, that a customer is asking a vendor what he is selling. The person giving him a details regarding the turbans, rich mirrors, and the what and daggers as well as beautiful what you will find tunics. Okay, beautiful stitched tunics he has to sell. Okay, in the next stanza you see the customer inquires about the lanterns. Okay, about the lanterns and rice. Okay, and what and spices begin being sold. Okay, being sold again. They received an operating description of the items like what, like sandalwoods, okay, henna, etc., and also ivory dice. Clear. In the third stanza, what the speaker is asking, the speaker becomes interested in what in the goldsmith what the goldsmith is making. The stanza is more in the depth as the goldsmith focuses on golden ornaments like what, like wristlet anklet, rings, etc. Okay, and he is checking to show off his products and his skills. Okay, hence his skills. He is humming something thin enough for the legs of the pigeon, for something sturdy enough for the king. Means he wants to make all the things of the kings also. Like what? Like he was making the cover of the sword, scabbards. Okay. Then bracelets means belt of thick strings around the waist to keep cloth in a position, like the belt. Clear? So these all are making in by whom? By the goldsmith. Here the goldsmith want to show that. Clear? In the fourth stanza you see what he is telling. In the fourth stanza the speaker requires what inquires about the different types of instrument and also the fruits. What are the fruits? Citron, pomegranate and plum. And what are the musics in the musical instruments were there? Sitar, sarangi and drum. Okay. These products almost originated from these fruits and all. These all originated from what? From the Indian subcontinents. Okay, and are added in the piece in order to further praise the Indian culture. Clear about the Indian culture you will find. Now in the final stanza what is said describe the greater detail that any of the previous stanza what the materials for selling are going to be used for. In this stanza you will find what speaking about the asking the flower girls what they are waving. They responded by describing the creations of the crown for the bridegroom, and showed for someone recently deceased. Okay, here you will find what the sheets of white blossom well granted means what? Well collection to perfume what? Sleep of the dead. Clear here? So understood all of you? If there is any problem, we will discuss in our Zoom class. Clear? Thank you.